Every time when you ask how to get more organic traffic from search engines, SEO specialists tell you two things: to create a content and to build links. Yes, these are extremely important things to generate organic traffic, and they are interdependent. You cannot get links if you have no content. Hello everyone, Ilyas here, and in the next couple of minutes I'll teach you how to create blog posts that generate traffic and make your business successful. To write an article, you have to begin with choosing a topic for that. All you have to know about this for now is that your topic has three main features. It should be relevant to your business, it should be more or less popular, and it's the best situation when it's not very competitive. If you have no ideas what to write about, visit answerthepublic.com and check my video about keywords research by the link in description if you want to learn more. When you know the topic of your future blog post, you should understand what volume and structure it has to be to take the first page in Google. For most topics, average volume is about from 800 to 1000 words. Many experts call lengths of 1.5 to 2000 as ideal one. This trend shows us that every year popular blog post becomes more and more volumed. To be more specific, make a little research. Google your topic using the keyword you want to rank for. Take top 10 pages from Google SERP and check them on istio.com. This free tool will show you the volume of every article, distribution of keywords, and their concentration in the text. Just create a little bit more and better content for your visitors. You should also pay attention to sentences length. Yas.com suggests not to write long sentences to keep your article readable for your user. It's no problem if some sentences consist of more than 20 words, but try to keep things balanced. Of course, markup of your blog post is important. Don't forget about meta information of the page and try to do your best with creating headings and subheadings. Headings help users and search engines to read and understand text. And that's what we need, to let search engines know what your article is about. Use keywords in article headings. It increases the chances of people actually reading your article, improves accessibility, and might even contribute to SEO. More information about headings by the link in description. We all know Wikipedia. Wikipedia's texts are so full of links that you can begin reading the Albert Einstein article and end at the Eminem article. So make links to other blog posts of yours, to useful pages, and of course add a link to your homepage. I suggest to link your homepage from every post in your blog. To make your article more attractive, make some diversity in its structure. Add illustrations, lists, different schemes and infographics. It's easier to perceive information in different formats for some people, and this always looks better. While using this simple life hack during writing the next article for your blog, you'll be surprised how brick by brick your blog gets big. Thank you for your attention. Check my other videos. I appreciate every like and subscribe. I'm Ilya. Goodbye.